should they use if they want to buy a house here in the Villages? Who should they use, Shayna?
They should use Robyn because she's a turbo supercharged Sledgehammer Realtor. We just bought a house. Lucky Robyn.
Who helped you?
Robyn.
And what do you think of Robyn?
I love Robyn.
Do you
I
hear
love
that,
her.
people?
I love her.
They love
Yes,
Robyn.
We bought a house. We love Robyn.
Now, who
Thank
should
you,
they
Robyn.
use if they want to buy a house here in the Villages? Who should they use, Shayna?
They should use. Hello.
All right, you heard
Love
it here
Robyn.
first. Wait, bye.
Bye.
Thank you very much, Shayna. I hope you're enjoying the Villages lifestyle, and let's get to the meat of this video. But before we get started, I do have another message